If Telegram is giving you an error when sending messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether your messages are stuck, failing to send, or Telegram desktop just refuses to connect properly, these simple steps can help you get things working again without complicated troubleshooting. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest fix is to restart the app completely. If you're using Telegram desktop on Windows, don't just minimize it, you want to fully close it. Look down at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. You may need to click the little arrow to show hidden icons, then find the Telegram icon. Right-click it and choose to quit or exit Telegram. This is important because closing the window alone doesn't always end the app process. Once it's fully closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen Telegram desktop. This refreshes the connection handshake and can clear temporary sending errors caused by a bad session or a stale connection. After that, check your VPN, proxy, or firewall settings. These are very common reasons Telegram can't send messages properly. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and try sending the message again. The same goes for any proxy service or custom network route. Some VPNs block the exact service Telegram needs, which can break message delivery or media uploads. You should also check any third-party firewall or security software you have installed. Strict firewalls sometimes treat Telegram traffic as suspicious and silently interfere with it. If possible, pause the firewall briefly, test Telegram again, and see if the issue disappears. If it does, you've found the cause and can adjust the firewall rules instead of leaving it off. If Telegram is still not sending messages, the next step is to test a different internet connection. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with Telegram itself or with your local network or internet provider. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching your computer to a mobile hotspot. You can use your phone's hotspot feature and reconnect Telegram through that network. If Telegram suddenly works on the hotspot but not on your regular Wi-Fi, then your internet provider, router, or local network may be blocking or interfering with Telegram servers. In that case, restarting your router, changing DNs, or contacting your provider may help. It's also a good idea to test whether the issue is only happening on one device or on all your devices. If Telegram works on your phone but not on your PC, then the problem is probably local to the desktop app, your Windows settings, or your network configuration. But if it fails everywhere, the issue could be broader and related to connectivity, account restrictions, or temporary Telegram server problems. Still, in most cases, these 3 fixes solve the issue. Restart Telegram completely, disable VPN or firewall interference, and try another network source. As you go through each step, test Telegram after every change. That way you know exactly which fix solved it. Don't change everything at once, because it becomes harder to figure out what was actually causing the error. Start with the app restart, then move to VPN and firewall settings, and finally test a different connection like a mobile hotspot. This simple order saves time and makes troubleshooting much easier. If your messages are still failing after these steps, you may want to check for app updates. Confirm that Telegram is not restricted by your network administrator, and make sure your system date and time are set correctly. But for most users, one of the fixes in this video will resolve the sending error quickly. I hope this helped you fix the Telegram sending message error. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech help, app fixes, and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.